Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Cook with Madam Chi. I'm a trained chef. You can come to my channel. I'll be teaching you how to cook Nigerian dishes and international and continental dishes. Subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. We'll be showing different dishes, both in continental and African dishes. So thank you. Hello. Hi, that's Madam Chi kitchen. This morning again I want to prepare coconut rice. I've already extracted the oil from the coconut seed. This is this. There's the chicken. I've already fried the chicken. I'm doing all this because of light. This is pepper. This pepper. This bay leaf. This nutmeg. This ginger. This is thyme, salt, maggi. This cabbage, green pepper. I'm using it for pepper chicken. This is the rice. So now I start cooking the coconut rice. I've added groundnut oil. Now I want to add onions. I want to add pepper. Adding the maggi cube. Coconut stock. I add salt. I cover it to boil before I add the rice. Now I'm adding the boiled rice inside the coconut stock. I cover it now to done. The water remains hot.
This is our coconut rice.
Now I want to prepare pepper chicken. That's what I'm going to use to serve the coconut rice. So I'm adding the onions inside the hot oil for the pepper chicken. The pepper. So now I leave it to burn. Road safety, oh, they know they hide our road safety. You know then they are pirate. So you see, now I'm adding the chicken inside the pepper. Just to garnish it. That red, you know, to serve.